The Tacoma Police Department recently held a driving course for its new police recruits in the parking lot of the Tacoma Dome. The department aims to give recruits time in police vehicles prior to heading off to the state's basic law enforcement academy. Part of an officer's training includes 3 days at the Washington State Patrol's Driving Academy in Shelton. By giving recruits time behind the wheel prior to attending the State Patrol course, the department not only saves taxpayer dollars by minimizing academy retraining, but it gives its officers more experience to be prepared to handle a vehicle in what can be high-stress situations.
We have recruits that are getting ready to go to the police academy, and we're trying to give them some extra driving time and to fine-tune some of their driving skills that they already have to make them even better drivers when they become officers after the academy. Going to and from calls can be a huge distraction with the radio and the computer, but we want to make sure that we're getting there in a safe manner, and also we're protecting the public as we're responding to the call.
The department's course is considered a slow-speed course compared to what the recruits will see at the State Patrol's Academy. They learn basic maneuvers like forward serpentine, parking skills, reverse serpentine, reverse lane changes, and moderate speed lane changes. By the end of the 10-hour training, recruits are much more prepared to control a vehicle, making the job safer not only for themselves, but for the surrounding public too. Learn more about the Tacoma Police Department by visiting tacomapolice.com.